Hi, Rolf Snobeck here, and thanks for joining me again this week. So the question is, are white roofs the best? Maybe the better question to ask is, why are there white roofs? So the simple answer to that question is this. In many parts of the country, white roofs are required by code to help reduce the urban heat island effect, to physically lower the temperature of the air in the summer. The thought process is to get rid of old dark colored roofs and install white roofs. That makes sense. But when talking to new customers, we typically find three areas of concern. Number one, they're concerned about the toughness of the roof system that they just bought. Number two, they're very worried about how bright it is. You have to have sunglasses when you go up there. And number three, they're upset that they found out afterwards that they had multiple options that they were never made aware of. It's kind of what I wanted to talk to you about today. Here's a pie chart that shows the market share for different roof systems that are on the market. TPO has roughly a third of the roofing market. It typically comes in white, and the reason it's so popular is it's an economical solution. But let's take a look at some of the other options. EPDM has about a quarter of the market. It's traditionally black, but it's also available in white or can be coated and made white. PVC is typically white. It's available in other colors, but it's similar to TPO in appearance and has a much longer track record. SBS modified is available in a variety of colors, including white. Hot built-up roof systems can be installed with white aggregate. You're seeing a pattern here? It can be made white. Sprayed in place polyurethane foam. The final application is a coating which can be white. APP modified bitumen comes in a variety of colors, including white. And all the other options up there, even though they're minor in the market, can all have a white finish. So the moral of the story is that there's more than one solution besides just TPO. And each of those different roof systems has different attributes that bring value to their specific family. So having said that, if you'd like to learn more about different roof systems and why you'd want to use one in one place and another in another place, aside from the color, let me know. I'd be happy to have that conversation and talk about the different system attributes with you. In the meantime, I hope you're having a safe week, and don't forget to follow me here on LinkedIn at #RolfTheRoofingGuy. Thank you.